Welcome back to Fluent Conversations. If you're serious about improving your English speaking skills, you're in the right place. In our last episode, we uncovered the secret to breaking the fear of speaking English, so if you missed that, make sure to check it out first. Today, we're tackling a game-changing skill that makes all the difference: pronunciation.
And let's be honest, Emma, nothing makes you feel more fluent than when people actually understand you without struggling.
Exactly. Clear pronunciation makes you sound natural and confident. But here's the problem: many learners focus too much on grammar and vocabulary while ignoring how they actually sound.
And that's why today, we're going to fix that. We'll share powerful techniques to help you improve your pronunciation and sound more like a native.
And trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll have practical tools that will instantly level up your spoken English. The shadowing method. Copy native speakers like a pro.
So, let's start with a technique that actually changed my pronunciation: shadowing.
Oh, this one is powerful. It's like mimicking a native speaker in real time.
Exactly. You listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it immediately, trying to match the speaker's tone, rhythm, and even emotions.
And the best part? You don't need a teacher for this. Just grab a podcast, a movie, or even YouTube videos. Listen and repeat.
But here's the key: don't just repeat the words, copy the whole way they say it.
Yes, think of it like acting. Step into the speaker's shoes and speak like them. The muscle memory trick. Train your mouth like an athlete.
Emma, people don't realize that pronunciation is physical.
Oh, exactly. Your mouth, tongue, and lips have to move in new ways.
That's why native-like pronunciation doesn't happen overnight. You have to train your muscle memory.
One great way is to focus on tongue twisters. Try saying this fast. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Oh wow, that one always gets me.
But seriously, these exercises force your mouth to get comfortable with new sounds.
And if a certain English sound is difficult for you, exaggerate it at first. For example, if you struggle with the R sound, overpronounce it, rared.
Exactly. Your mouth learns through repetition. The slow down to speed up rule.
Now, this one is surprising: speak slower to sound more fluent.
Yes, many learners try to speak fast to sound like a native, but that actually makes pronunciation worse.
Right. When you slow down, you give your mouth time to form words correctly.
So, instead of rushing, focus on saying every word clearly.
And once your pronunciation improves, your speed will naturally increase.
The power of listening. Your ears train your mouth. This one is underrated. You can't pronounce what you don't hear properly.
Exactly. If you want better pronunciation, you need to train your ears first.
A great trick? Listen to English with subtitles. Then turn them off and repeat what you hear.
Yes. This forces your brain to recognize natural sounds instead of reading them.
And the more you listen, the better your pronunciation will become.
These techniques are super practical. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments.
And remember, pronunciation isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Keep practicing, and you will sound more natural.
Speaking of sounding natural, in our next episode, we'll talk about something just as important: intonation and rhythm. Because pronunciation isn't just about saying words correctly, it's about sounding natural and expressive.
So, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in episode 3.